AI automation represents a paradigm shift in how industries operate, leveraging artificial intelligence to enhance efficiency and drive innovation. By deploying advanced algorithms and machine learning models, organizations can automate tasks, optimize processes, and extract valuable insights from data. From manufacturing to healthcare and finance, AI automation is revolutionizing various sectors, leading to increased productivity and improved outcomes. AI automation is not just about replacing human labor with machines. It's about augmenting human capabilities and unlocking new possibilities. By offloading repetitive tasks to AI systems, human workers can focus on more creative strategic endeavors that require empathy, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. This symbiotic relationship between AI and humans fosters a more dynamic and productive workforce, driving innovation and propelling businesses forward in an increasingly competitive landscape. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing AI content and explore how AI automation is reshaping the future of work and unleashing the full potential of human ingenuity. Number 1. Boosting productivity with AI automation. AI automation optimizes workflows by delegating repetitive tasks to machines, allowing employees to focus on higher value work. By automating processes such as data entry, document sorting, and customer inquiries, businesses can operate more efficiently, accomplish tasks faster, and meet deadlines more consistently. This increased productivity translates to cost savings, as fewer resources are required to complete tasks, and enables organizations to scale their operations more effectively to meet growing demand. Number 2. Making fewer mistakes and being more accurate. AI automation minimizes human error by performing tasks with consistent precision and adherence to predefined rules. Through machine learning algorithms, AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make decisions based on predefined criteria, reducing the likelihood of errors caused by fatigue, oversight, or misjudgment. By achieving higher levels of accuracy in tasks such as data analysis, quality control, and predictive modeling, businesses can minimize costly mistakes, enhance operational efficiency, and maintain a competitive edge in their respective industries. Number 3. Predicting when machines need fixing in factories. AI-powered predictive maintenance systems leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze equipment data in real time, identifying patterns indicative of potential failures or performance degradation. By monitoring factors such as temperature, vibration, and energy consumption, these systems can detect anomalies and predict when maintenance is needed before critical issues arise. This proactive approach to maintenance helps factories avoid unplanned downtime, reduce repair costs, and extend the lifespan of machinery. By optimizing equipment reliability and minimizing disruptions to production schedules, AI-driven predictive maintenance enhances overall operational efficiency and contributes to the long-term sustainability of manufacturing operations. Number 4. Personalizing online shopping experiences. AI algorithms analyze customer data to understand preferences, browsing behavior, and purchase history. By leveraging this information, e-commerce platforms can tailor product recommendations, promotions, and content to individual users, enhancing their shopping experience. Personalization increases customer satisfaction, fosters brand loyalty, and ultimately drives sales and revenue for businesses. Number 5. Finding new medicines faster with AI. AI accelerates drug discovery by analyzing vast datasets, predicting molecular interactions, and identifying potential drug candidates. Through machine learning models, AI can analyze biological data, simulate drug interactions, and prioritize compounds for further testing, significantly reducing the time and resources required for drug development. This expedited process enables researchers to discover new treatments and therapies more efficiently, addressing unmet medical needs and improving patient outcomes. Number 6. Making shipping and deliveries smoother. AI-powered logistics systems optimize route planning, vehicle scheduling, and inventory management to streamline shipping and delivery such as traffic patterns, weather conditions, and delivery deadlines. AI algorithms can dynamically adjust routes, allocate resources efficiently, and minimize delays. This results in faster delivery times, lower transportation costs, and improved customer satisfaction. Additionally, AI-enabled predictive analytics help anticipate demand fluctuations and optimize inventory levels, ensuring that products are available when and where they are needed. Number 7. Keeping online accounts safer from hackers. AI-driven cybersecurity solutions employ machine learning algorithms to detect and prevent cyber threats in real time. By analyzing network traffic, user behavior, and system anomalies, AI can identify suspicious activities and potential security breaches before they escalate. AI-powered intrusion detection systems can recognize patterns indicative of cyber attacks, such as malware infections or unauthorized access attempts, and respond swiftly to mitigate risks. Additionally, AI algorithms continuously learn from new threats and adapt security measures accordingly, providing proactive defense against evolving cyber threats. This helps safeguard sensitive data, protect online accounts, and preserve trust in digital transactions and services. Number 8. Driving cars without human help. Autonomous vehicles use AI algorithms to perceive their surroundings, interpret sensory data, and make real-time driving decisions without human intervention. By integrating sensors, cameras, and advanced computing systems, self-driving cars navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and adhere to traffic laws, offering a safer and more efficient mode of transportation. With ongoing advancements in AI technology, autonomous vehicles have the potential to reduce accidents, ease traffic congestion, and revolutionize the future of mobility. Number 9. Learning better with AI tutors. AI-powered educational platforms leverage personalized learning algorithms to adapt lessons, quizzes, and assessments to individual student needs and learning styles. By analyzing student performance data and providing targeted feedback and recommendations, AI tutors optimize learning outcomes, enhance engagement, and tailor educational experiences to each student's strengths and weaknesses. With AI-driven tutoring, students can receive personalized instruction, track their progress, and acquire knowledge more effectively, fostering a lifelong love for learning and academic success. Number 10. Enjoying new movies and music made by AI. AI-generated content platforms use machine learning algorithms to create original movies, music compositions, and artworks. By analyzing existing content, identifying patterns, and generating new creative works, AI algorithms can produce diverse and innovative forms of entertainment. From film scripts and musical compositions to visual art and virtual reality experiences, AI-generated content offers endless possibilities for creativity and expression. While AI may not replace human creativity, it complements traditional artistic processes, inspires collaboration, and pushes the boundaries of what is possible in the realm of entertainment. In conclusion, AI automation is heralding a transformative era across industries, fundamentally reshaping operational paradigms and redefining business landscapes. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, organizations are experiencing unprecedented levels of efficiency, productivity, and innovation. Through optimized workflows, predictive analytics, and enhanced decision-making capabilities, AI automation empowers businesses to navigate complex challenges with precision and agility. Yet, alongside its remarkable potential, AI automation brings forth a myriad of ethical considerations. Concerns such as job displacement, algorithmic bias, and data privacy demand vigilant attention and thoughtful solutions. Responsible deployment of AI necessitates transparency, accountability, and ongoing monitoring to mitigate risks and ensure equitable outcomes. Looking ahead, The synergy between humans and machines promises boundless opportunities for continued advancement and societal impact. By embracing AI automation with foresight and diligence, we can unlock new frontiers of possibility, driving sustainable development and fostering a more inclusive and equitable future for all. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing AI content and stay updated on the latest advancements and applications of AI automation across industries.